Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and a good wherever you are. Welcome to Websites for Beginners. My name is JP, and we're talking about outline text in the latest update for Divi 5. And this is a short and sweet one, very easy to quickly implement. Get text on your page, and this is going to work the best with big and bold text. I have this one here, quality, and what I'm going to do is select the text. Mosey over to the design panel, and we go to the text, and this is going to work with text and heading text all alike, and wherever you find text options throughout other modules as well. Under the text, scroll down, and at the very bottom, just before text alignment, you're going to find the text stroke width. I'll add here 3. And this is not going to make a huge difference, but what we're going to do now after I've added it is we go up and we go to the color and grab the transparency of the text and drag it down to 0. Having done that, our stroke has disappeared, and this is an interesting thing. Even though the stroke is added, you still need to click on the color to bring in the stroke, and there you can see. I scroll down again to where we have the text stroke width. Once you activate the text stroke width, you will get the text stroke color. Even if it looks like it's the real color, just hop in there and add the color you want. In this case, I think let's see how this will look at 1. Very nice. And here for what we are doing here, and now I'm in the state of mind to say, let's go and even increase this heading to 300 pixels. Look how nice that is. And maybe now we'll also change it up to 2 pixels. That is text outline, heading outline, strokes for your text. I love the regular updates. Divi, keep it coming. I'll see you in the next video.